Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this adorable 2 layers petal cluster design for mask adapter. So kindly watch the whole video. If this is your first time visiting my channel, kindly press the subscribe button. To create these beautiful designs, you need to have yarns, crochet hook, tapestry needles, and the buttons. Firstly, make slip knot. Chain 5 and make 1 double treble crochet through chain 1. Okay, now we'll start to make the petal. Firstly, chain 3, make 1 treble crochet, one double treble crochet, four quadruple treble crochet, back to 1 double treble crochet, one treble crochet, chain 3 that represent double crochet, finally slip stitch. Make an additional chain 1, then chain 3 that represents double crochet, 1 treble crochet, one double treble crochet, four quadruple treble crochet, Back to 1 double treble crochet, one treble crochet, chain 3 that represent double crochet, and finally slip stitch. Make chain 2, make 1 double crochet through the underneath of treble crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet through the underneath of first quadruple treble crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet through the underneath of third quadruple treble crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet through the underneath of double treble crochet, chain 2 and slip stitch between treble crochet and chain 3. Make a slip stitch between chain 3 and treble crochet and 1 additional chain. Now chain 2, one double crochet through underneath of double treble crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet through underneath of second quadruple treble crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet through underneath of fourth quadruple treble crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet through underneath of treble crochet, chain 2 and make 1 last slip stitch between chain 3 and treble crochet. Chain 1, make 1 half double crochet, make chain 5 and 1 double treble crochet in chain 1, When you're at this point, you just need to repeat the previous pattern to create more cluster. But if you already reached the desired length, you just need to make final slip stitch and cut the yarn before you create more flower cluster. Here is the result. It's so cute, beautiful, and adorable. Thank you for watching.